They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with a new video. I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial for a knotless goddess braids, and I'm going to be doing a medium size. So I already applied the edge control initially, but now I'm just going to take my comb, just try to, brush it up and make sure that we're good to go, because again, I don't want any tangling when I start, applying the hair. But this is gonna be, I think, medium waist length, and yeah, medium waist length, color 1B. I use Google curls for the curls, and Google curls comes in about 22 inches, and I use this curls for both my mid back and also my waist length. And you're going to see how I do it for my waist length, since the curls is technically not like a waist length curls. So I try to fade my hair in, starting from the smallest piece of hair, and then I braid some more, and then I fade in my curls because I want my curls to start from the roots. And since the curls are so short, 22 inches, I'm just going to drag it up as you saw me did earlier, and just leave like a little piece of like curls out, just so it can just hang in there. So it can, it doesn't sleep over or anything like that. And I'm just going to continue fitting in my hair until I get my perfect size. I have to make sure that my size does match all my braids, and then I would be good to go. And then yeah, and I do apply my edge control to braid. I think I've done this hairstyle like several times, but I just like to every now and then just make some videos, post some things if I do come up with any new technique. But this hairstyle usually take me about 7 hours before, but now I'm literally done in like 5 hours and 30 minutes. On a very bad day, like when I'm like very tired, exhausted, or I don't feel so good, maybe like 6 hours or 6 hours and 30 minutes, but usually it doesn't really take that long. But yeah, again, a medium size. When you mess up, you have to just go back and make sure that we're good to go, because I like to tuck in my client natural hair. Even though you're doing the same hair color as the braiding hair, I will still make sure I tuck it in, because I don't want the hair to like get old and then freeze, and then you start seeing your natural hair coming through. I don't like that for my clients. So I always go back and make sure that we're good to go. Even though it takes me longer, I just want them to be happy and everything to be good to go when they leave. For the maintenance, I would say yes, goddess braids, and using synthetic hair for goddess braids does sorry for your noise, guys, does get tangled quickly. But I would just say applying hair mousse and wrapping your hair with like a very silky bonnet does help. I do have linked like my bonnets that my clients use, some of my clients who order and use for their hair, and it does help your goddess braids last a little bit longer. Like my clients who even get synthetic hair, and they're gonna come back and book the same hairstyle. So clearly it's not that bad. Just good maintenance, good care, and you should be good to go. Just hair mousse, any hairspray, any hair sheen, and you should be good to go. But yeah, that'll be all. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And of course, you can definitely dip this part of your client's hair in hot water. Just try to separate the hair from the curls, and then you should be good to go. Look at how pretty my client, man. I just love black hair. Like, our hair is so pretty. I just love black hair. I love admiring my client's hair. But yeah, that'll be all, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb buck like them are watching. They are free of our daughter. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb buck like them are watching. They are free of our daughter. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
No, no, no.
Original. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.